Did you know that mee goreng was the best instant noodle in the world in 2019? And I'm pretty sure now it is on top 10 around the world. So I show you my way to cook mee goreng today. Shall we start? Those are main ingredients. I got 2 packs of mee goreng. I got 100 grams of pork rear leg. This part of pork meat is way cheaper than pork belly and tastes as good as belly, so I prefer to use this part of my cooking. I got 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. I got quarter of a sliced onion. I got half bunch of finely chopped scallion. Half of this I'm gonna use it for cooking, and half of them will be the garnish. I got quarter of sliced carrot. I got 1 egg for fried egg. And I got quarter of lime for the garnish. Okay, let's make the sauce first. Okay, for the sauce, I need to open up this package of noodle. Those are soup bases. I'm going to put all the soup base from the noodle package. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of Sambal sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. That's it for the sauce. I'm just gonna mix it. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna blanch the noodle. I'm gonna cook noodle for 2.5 minutes. The reason why I'm rinsing noodle under cold water is it will stop cooking. Also, it's gonna get rid of the starch from the noodle, so I can keep it while I'm cooking meat and vegetables. Okay, before stir fry or the veggies and meat, I'm gonna make the fried egg first. Okay, over medium-high heat, I'm gonna make a fried egg. Okay, put the egg aside. I'm using it later after I'm cooking everything. And in the same pan, I'm gonna cook the pork. Real leg. I'm seasoning with salt and pepper. If you need a little bit more oil, just put oil. When it's about halfway cooked, I'm going to put the carrot. and put some chopped scallion. Those green parts, I'm using it for the garnish. And this is totally optional. If you guys have a gas torch at home, just use it. It's gonna give it a smoky flavor. This is more like I'm hacking wok. And lastly, I'm putting minced garlic. The reason why I'm putting it at the end is minced garlic, so it's easy to burn. So I'm just gonna cook it quickly before I put the noodles in. And I can smell the garlic, the aromas. It's time to put noodles and the sauce right away. Oh my gosh, look at these. Let it fry the noodle for a while, and that's it. Try not to overcook it. That's it for cooking. I'm gonna taste it. Ta-da! Okay, here's the noodle. I get a fried egg which I cooked before. Yay! And I got a lime. Put over here. If you guys like the spice food, sriracha sauce is the best. You know. So sauce first. Okay, lime, some green parts of the scallion on the top, around. That's it. Look at this. Okay, let me taste the noodle. Break the egg yolks. Oh my god, look at this. Yeah, this is the best. There's no such a traditional way to cook this instant noodle. Make it in your own way. Whatever you have in your fridge, use it. I appreciate that you watched my video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, which helps me a lot to work on next video. Ciao!